Website targeted messaging allows you to improve conversion on your landing page and website by up to 30% by continuously optimizing the copy on these pages. Here's how to set it up. In the website targeted messaging section, I'm going to click New Project and then enter the URL of the page that I want to optimize. In my case, that'll be anywhere.com. Once I enter the URL, Anywhere scans my page and allows me to choose which copy do I want to optimize. Could be the heading, the subtitle, maybe the call for action. I could use all of them. For each of these sections, I could either add my own copy variations like here, improve conversion by up to 30%. And you can see that Anywhere is already analyzing my copy for predicted performance score and even demographic appeal. I'm going to add this variation to my campaign. So now I have two variations for this subtitle, and I think I'm going to let Anywhere come up with a few more. Let's try that. You can see that Anywhere came up with a few variations, and I really like this one, so I'm going to add it. And maybe this one as well. As soon as I have at least 4 copy variations for a section, I can enable the asset and it'll be automatically added to my campaign. Now, in the campaign settings, I first need to choose which percent of the traffic will go through Anywhere's optimization versus the traffic that goes to the original landing page. I'm going to select a solid 50%. Next, I'm going to select a conversion goal. It could be a destination URL or a CTA. This helps Anywhere determine if the copy actually worked. Finally, I get this code snippet that I need to embed in my website. For instructions on how to set it up, click this link right over here. Once I embedded this code snippet, I'll verify setup by clicking this button. And I'm good to go. All I need to do now is press the launch button. And from now on, Anywhere will be working in the background, optimizing copy on my website.